Hey guys, it's Sunshine. Just want to let you guys see the cicada swarm in Alabama on my fruit trees. It's a plum tree and there are no cicadas. None. Are there any on that plum tree? I don't see any. You see any? I don't see any on that one. But my peaches, it's a few on here. Not a whole lot, but it's a few. But on my nectarine tree, look at this. Hope you guys can hear me over the air conditioning. But yeah, they're all over my nectarine tree and my figs. Look at these guys. Whew, they're just flying all over the place. All over my persimmons. I said figs, but I meant persimmon. Look at them. Look at these guys. They're all over my crepe myrtles in the front. Are the cicadas, are they swarming you guys' fruit trees as well?